refreshment with a 20-ounce bottle of Diet Coke, Sprite, or Fanta. So no matter how you soak in that summer sun, at home or on the go, grab an ice-cold Coca-Cola today. Enjoy.
Looking to spice up your love life? Stop into Sensations, the new premier adult store located at 2172 Elmwood Ave in Warwick. Sensations provides an inclusive, comfortable atmosphere and is run by two knowledgeable women who will help you find exactly what you need. They carry quality products at affordable prices. Sensations has something for everyone. Book a private shopping experience today at sensationsri.com or stop in to see what the buzz is about. New Sensations await you at 2172 Elmwood Ave in Warwick or online at sensationsri.com.
When it comes to home repairs, doing it alone gets messy, possibly smoky or leaky, and occasionally exploding. But you don't have to go it alone. Introducing Home X Remote Assist. Connect with our experts 24/7 by phone or video chat. We'll remotely diagnose your problem, try to help you fix it yourself, or if needed, send one of our certified local pros to your home ASAP. Home X Remote Assist. Learn more at homex.com.
What's the Dupuis guarantee? It's protecting you from scenes like this.
Mega Oil, what's your problem?
Yeah, you guys just delivered oil.
This call is being recorded for later.
Well, I just got a bill for 200 gallons of heating oil I did not authorize.
You have a contract, we have the recording.
What recording?
I'll just put you on hold while we locate it. Your call is very important to us.
Wait, I didn't...
Sounds like somebody's getting the business. Hey, treats them.
Towery had to get on bullhorns. Let me play it for you. They had to beg the anarchists, please, we're only here to offer help and medical help to people that desperately need it. Listen. Matt Towery, I mean, that is, if you don't have fundamental safety and you're allowing the anarchists to take over city blocks and streets, the same thing happened in Atlanta. I mean, the mayor of Atlanta, we reported on it a week and a half prior to this, guys with their AR-15s in the parking lot of the burned down Wendy's where the Ray Sharp Brooks incident took place. And they're there with all these guys. They let them take over a city street. A mom just happened to drive in the wrong direction, and an 8-year-old kid is murdered in the back of the car because they're allowing us to go on.
And Sean, again, I alluded to when you were in Atlanta. When you're in Atlanta, you knew a good number of civil rights leaders like I did. Andy Young, Hosea Williams.
I came to love these guys. I mean, we didn't agree politically, but Maynard Jackson welcomed me to town the first day I was in the city.
Well, and we respected the way they did things because they did not let violence. They were truly nonviolent disciples, and that's critical in any movement. This has now become something that none of those individuals would have anything to do with. When you start having murders, you have mayhem and people taking over areas of the city. I mean, they truly are scared in Atlanta. I mean, it is a scary town right now. So, to your point, the impact this has politically, as a pollster, I have to go back to the numbers. John's absolutely right. I feel a shift in this race occurring, and I think that shift is because of this very issue. And when Joe Biden decides to take the sort of position he takes in order to appease the left, we talked about this a long time ago, he is, in the long run, it's making it difficult for him to answer these issues as this continues. And I alluded earlier to the fact that this is spreading from big cities to smaller cities, and you're seeing immediate ramifications. And you're going to see people all over this country where this is taking place, where the police are standing back, where they're being asked to give up certain rights or not be involved. And people who don't usually get involved in politics or don't care are going to start saying, what is going on in my neighborhood, in my community? And that is something that will be a game changer in this race.
So now we've got to look at the states that any Republican that ever wants to be president must win. Florida, obviously, John McLaughlin. Georgia, a must win. North Carolina, a must win. Then you've got to look, Ohio, another must win. No Republican has ever made it to the White House without the great state of Ohio. Then you got to look at Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, maybe Minnesota this time. Who knows? You got to make sure you win Arizona. That seems to be getting tighter, more tight than I would prefer. Look at Nevada, New Mexico, New Hampshire, and the main 2nd Congressional District is way more important than anybody could ever know, because that could tip the balance literally by the one electoral vote in the end.
Right, and by the way, the states that you're listing out here, but first let me compliment you. I saw that